I thought I could share this with you guys. We're just arriving to the property and I'm still out of breath because I just finished cutting the other one. So this is the last one here, hopefully, leading into the property. And I cut one piece on the other end, and then I cut one piece where the chainsaw is, but then my chainsaw got stuck. And so I gotta get my tractor and move this. So I have at least a quarter of a mile to walk. So it's interesting because this is a huge tree, Douglas fir, and this is one of those trees that have been, bugged, and they're dying like crazy. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of trees that fell down. Some of it are healthy, but the soil was very soft, and as you can see in there too, that thing fell over. This is where they logged this place. They thinned it over, but one thing I've noticed, they left all the good trees, but as you can see, as they thin the area, there are more bugs moving in and destroying all this good healthy Douglas fir. And so it is mind-boggling that the forestry hasn't done anything yet. But this is a really nice forestry area which they're trying to improve due to forest fire. But I have a lot of leftovers that they haven't really completed their work yet. They still have a lot of things to burn and cut. But this is the road leading to our property. But these are very nice Douglas fir, and then you can see further over there, there's like a couple of nice Douglas fir that fell down also. And so this tree still good lumber, but this is gonna rot here where it is because it's illegal to take one of them. I mean, I can cut it, to make to clear my driveway, but yeah, they're gonna stay here and rot. It's such a waste. I think someone's cutting also down below me. I'm sure he's cutting all these trees that fell down also in his property. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But anyway, I'm gonna start my trek because I still have a long way, and then clear this out and then go from there. Thought I could share this to you. It's it's a nice Douglas fir. It's about over 1 feet in diameter. Yeah, this area is really nice and very quiet. Okay, until then, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.